Om Shri Sai Ram. I'm currently in the studios of Media Center at Prasanthi Nilayam, Puttaparthi. I am now speaking in my capacity as a director of the Prasanthi Dham board of directors. Last year, when I happened to be, not last year, year before last, I think, I happened to be in the west coast of America. And then I was in touch with a few people, and they somehow persuaded me to fly all the way from San Francisco, Cupertino to Dallas for a day visit. And the visit was to come and see a project that was being envisaged there. It was then called SOULS, S-O-U-L-S. It was a non-profit organization set up by some Swami devotees based out of Dallas. They had planned to do a replication of Swami's Prasanthi Nilayam Mandir in America. That was the broad idea they had. They had got the land and they were doing some work on it, but somehow nothing had taken off ground except acquiring the land and some plans which had got ready. So the board was thinking that somehow this is not going forward, so somehow they thought that my presence there will make some difference. So I went all the way and took a one-day flight, though I was on a private visit. I went all the way to Dallas. And of course, I was received with great love, affection, respect. I stayed with Dr. Padmanabhan and his family, and I visited the site. It's a wonderful site, and the strange thing is, or not strange, the astonishing thing is that all around the site you have all the other religions that are there. A church is there, a synagogue is there, and a mosque is there, everything else, and this is right in the middle, sandwich. So I looked at the plot and I said, wow, this is a fantastic plot. And another strange thing, not strange, but Swami's direction, they went to the city and they said, we want to rename this, and they suggested a name, and the name of that road is now called Love All Drive in Dallas, Texas. Well, Swami made it happen. And so when this project took off like that, and I went there and had a look, and we had a long discussion about many things. And then after I returned, the Sathya Sai Global Council office bearers were also involved in it, Mr. Balu Karanam, Dr. Akshay and others, and the entire board of directors of SOULS. And then they inducted me onto the board, and we started talking about many things. And so some changes were made, and now the name was changed to Prasanthi Dham and Prasanthi Dham Foundation. And the project that they're doing now is to replicate Prasanthi Nilayam exactly there, with the mandir and facility for all activities that take place here should be replicated there in terms of bhajans, in terms of events that are taking place. Plus, there is also a proposal to add a residential block like what we have here. We have many residential blocks for visitors who come here. N block is there, Shanti Bhavan is there. Many of these things are there. So they want to replicate that, and they want to have a kitchen, a dining room, and everything. And so that's the plan that is being made there. So this is an activity of the organization which is known as Prasanthi Dham Foundation. It is directly affiliated to Sathya Sai Global Council. And the Central Trust has also lent its, cooperation to it. And it has nominated me to be, as a member of the Central Trust trustee, to be a member of the board of directors there. And therefore, there is going to be a lot of discussion between Central Trust and this foundation as to how this project should be done and what should go along with it. And, there were several challenges that we had. The plans were ready. We had a Vastu person to clear it. That has been approved now at Puttaparthi level. So their next stage is to go forward with it. And of course, we are going to do it in phases. It's not going to be done in one phase. The first phase is going to be the mandir, and thereafter we'll have to find resources for the other phases. But the project is very exciting. It is meant to be like a home away from home. For people who live in South America, in North America, and in that vicinity, in that area, coming all the way to India, many may not be able to afford it in terms of money or time. So this is going to be like a home away from home. And I hope, Swami will bless it. Incidental to that, the 30th of this month, they are having a Sahasralinga Archana program in the same place in Dallas. And that is an initiative taken by the Sathya Sai centers which are affiliated to the Sri Sathya Sai Global Council. So it's a very elaborate program. I think managing trustee of the Central Trust, Brother Ratnakar, is also planning to visit there. He's going to be speaking there. and several other dignitaries are going to be there. It is a Lingashtakam is going to be chanted there, and they have a very elaborate program that is being done. I'm very happy that this type of spiritual organizations taking up such activities in America is something which is laudable. Because in a developed world where everybody is busy with material things, for a large group to think of a spiritual well-being and get together community to participate in such an event and to play a role in their own upliftment, because Swami's message is you do things for your upliftment, and you can do that if you love all and serve all. You have to look at everybody as one and the same. There is no distinction of any kind with any religion. In fact, Swami's Sarvadharma symbol has symbols of all the religions in the world, major religions. So therefore, Swami propagates it to say, if you are a good Hindu, be a better Hindu. If you are a good Christian, you must be the best Christian. This is a kind of, don't give up. Religion is something which is different from spirituality. Spirituality is, in any religion, you look towards God or the higher being or a spirit, and that path towards that, and that's what Swami is talking about all the time. Realize the innate divinity in you. That is the message of Swami. And so this organization of Prasanthi Dham, it's going to be open to everybody. It's not denominational. It has nothing to do. And as you all know, in Puttaparthi, in Prasanthi Nilayam, we celebrate all major religions in the world. All their festivals are celebrated here. You name the festivals, every religious festival is celebrated here with no distinction. So therefore it's going to be the same type of a thing, and I'm sure Swami will guide and bless this Prasanthi Dham project. And also the 30th of May event is going to be a grand success. I was planning to attend, but unfortunately something else intervened, and I'm not able to attend, because my wife had to undergo a small surgery which happens to be fixed on the 14th of this May. So I could not excuse myself from that. And that's the reason I am not be able to come. But I'm sure I'll come as soon as the building progresses, and I'll come to see how it is progressing, and I'll surely be there with the board, with all my colleagues on the board of directors of Prasanthi Dham Foundation, and participate in everything that we do. And the Sathya Sai Central Trust is extremely happy and pleased to be part of this project, and that's the reason why our managing trustee Sri Ratnakar is making it a point to journey all the way to Dallas and be with all of you and show you the way forward in this project. Thank you. Wishing the function all the success, and my grateful regards to all the people who are working on this project. I wish and pray that Swami will bless all the participants and all the persons who are involved in the organization of all these events. Thank you, and Jai Sai Ram.